Assalamu alaikum everybody in this lesson. So in this lesson we will learn about another string method in the list. So let's dive in. Name is variable equal Ali. Name like Ali. Okay. Name the index 0 mean the A letter is equal X. Okay. Now I have error. So if I run this code, Python l.py, enter, error, because string data type is immutable. Immutable, it means we cannot change it. So list is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So lst dot remove okay, and then print lst. Now run this code. Okay, I will delete this code and run again. So what's wrong? lst 1, 2, 3, 4. lst dot remove nothing. So I will give this remove 2 and run again. 1, 3, 4, 5 without remove anything. So lst dot reverse. So this method need arguments. Now I have reverse. So five, 4, 3, 1. So now I have name. Name is equal Muhammad. Okay. Name list, name lst is equal list name. Now if I print name list, let's show this. Change this string to the list. So each letter is item. MOHAMMED. So now I want to reverse this. How? And join again. List, name list, okay. Name list dot reverse. And then make join. Reverse it, name reverse, reverse it is equal double quotation without space. If I make space, okay, see, dot join name list. Now if I make a run, make with the spaces. But if I delete the space and run again, what's okay. reverse it, okay. Muhammad reversed. If I make space, Muhammad reversed with the spaces. I delete space. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Thank you and see you again in the other lesson.